Hey, how's it going? Welcome to Edgy Blades. I'm Ed. These are knives I buy myself, give you my honest review of them, and let you get a first-hand look at it in case you haven't seen it or want to see it up close without actually having to buy it just yet. So this one here is the SRM 238X. Now, I've seen this before on like White Mountain knives, and I don't know, they have it sometimes listed as, I think, by maybe a fat finger mistake of 283X. But if you look for 238X, this is the one. And it's a good sized knife and a dang good one, too. I mean, this is just a screaming sharp, beautiful, beautiful satin finish D2 blade. And whew, man, it kind of reminds me of like the old SOG seal knife. The way that that blade is, it's just, ooh, it's just very, very, very usable kind of knife. And it's got some great jimping here. I mean, they just really hit all the marks out of the park with this one. You can go ahead and rest up your thumb here if you want to choke up to get some more power behind that cut or what. But whew, it's ambidextrous, so you can switch the deep pocket clip from left to right on it. It's got a nice milled, comfortable G10 handle, and it also has this integral, or integral, however you want to say it. It's just a bent over piece there for the steel on the spine there for just reinforcement. You got some nice milled out liners as well. And they have their version of this type of crossbar lock, which I'm just blown away with. I mean, I did that with one finger, and and it just locks into place. As you can see, it gets past that one point on the blade, so it just locks in there. But going around right there until it gets to the flat spot, locks right into place and very nicely. Very, very comfortable. I gotta say, it's kind of neutral of a grip, but it's got some very nice milling on it, and contouring of the G10. And coming down to the out of the way lanyard hole, this could really be used as a good striking weapon, glass breaker, whatever you want to call it, but that's steel. And I don't see it bending too easily if you had to hit something with that. You've got a great finger choil for very comfortable usage if you want to go up there like that. Fingers are still very comfortable going right up to the hand choil there, or what do you want to call it, but this is really nice and deep, and this is just a very, very, very pleasing ergonomic dream of a big knife. Let's see. The old Bud K catalog. Let's see what we can do to this one. I haven't tried this yet, but hey, I don't doubt. Oh, man. Look at that go. That is super duper sharp. And it's a beauty. I mean, I don't know if this is, let's see, the handle they say is 4.63 inches. The blade itself, 3.63 inches. So let's see, going right down from the tip to there. Yeah, it's almost 8 3/4 overall. So yeah, it's a beauty. Almost 3.5-inch blade for the cutting edge, but overall, I could see the 3.63 being justified on that. And man, the whole thing, an ergonomic dream. And right now you can get these, I don't know if they're still in, but they do have this in another flavor. You can get this with Yellow G10 and then a really nice black stonewash if you don't prefer a high satin finish like this one. And let's see. There you go, 238X-GB. And it's a nice one. What I'm really blown away with, though, is that action. I mean, look at that. That's nuts. It's just so smooth. And also what's really nice and appealing about this is such an open, very comfortable thumb hole here. And it just glides right out. And you can flick it right out because that action is so smooth. Reverse flick, yep, do that too. And whew, this is just a really nice one. Reverse grip, oh yeah, all day long. Yeah, this is made to be used, and definitely one that is one I can't wait to just keep in the pocket. I mean, it's very thin profile on there. And let's see. I would say it's just right at, yeah, 1/2 inch. Or maybe just a red hair under, but I'm seeing 1/2 inch for being thick on the handle. Nice steel liners that look like they just bend right around, and very well done, the whole thing. Totally digging it. I took a chance on it. I mean, and you can too. If you like what you see here, I mean, look, that was one finger. Come on. I mean, some other knives, like even the one I just did a review of here, yeah, it's nice, it's smooth, but this, maybe because of the size of the blade and just everything else, maybe they got ceramic ball bearings in there. I don't know, but what I do know is this baby's smooth, it's comfortable, and it's super slicey. Very great blade, and phew, I can't recommend this one enough. So, yep, this is the SRM 238X, and I am Ed of Edgy Blades. Much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up there. Feel free to comment. Let me know if you had gotten this one or maybe want to. I can't recommend it enough. It's pretty sweet. And if you would, I appreciate it if you would hit the old subscribe button, because I'm just a little channel, but it means a big lot, you know, to let me know that I can keep providing this for you at no cost. And I'm not getting these sent to me. This is just a regular guy just giving you my take on it, and this is definitely a keeper. So there you go. Hope you guys have a good one. Take care. See ya.